Many years ago, most people provided everything for themselves. They grew their own food. They hunted the meat they ate. If they have skills, they traded the services. Most people used hand tools, or simple machines powered by hand or pulled by animals to make things. The first industrial revolution, that started in Britain in late 1700, changed everything. This period represents the time when home production of goods began being transferred to factories. With the invention of the steam engine, transporting far distances faster on railroads and waterway, it was a time where man began to understand and use different energy sources. A century later, the world witnessed a rapid shift from conventional forms of prior innovations. Coming from an agrarian society with no mechanization, the shift towards steam-powered engines and factories was a momentous one. The new factory system eliminated the need for skilled craftsmen, giving way to exploitation of workers, triggering a drastic fall of quality of life for craftsmen, and the rise of child labor. The Second Industrial Revolution took place between 1870 and 1914. It was a period of growth. Major technological advances during this period started with the invention of telegraph, telephone, light bulb and internal combustion engine. The establishment of factories led to the creation of industrial cities. During this period, steel displaced iron, making the construction of ships, bridges and skyscrapers much easier. The invention of light bulbs and the building of power stations, the mechanization of factories, the birth of automobile assembly plant as we know it today. This period resulted in a larger, well-educated middle class and the demise of child labor. The Third Industrial Revolution, or the Digital Revolution, started during the 1980s and is ongoing. This is a period of advancement of technology, from analog electronic and mechanical devices to the digital technology available today, including PC, the Internet, and communication technology. The digital revolution is changing the society, relationships between people, customers, workers, and employers, permeating almost everything we do. We are now in the early stage of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, bringing digital, physical, and biological systems together. This revolution is marked by emerging technology, including robotics, artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, quantum computing, biotechnology, the Internet of Things, 3D printing, and autonomous vehicles. The impending impact is enormous, creating a shift from mass production to mass customization. It will change how we live, work, and communicate. It will reshape almost every aspect of life. Looking back, in the last 3 centuries, mankind has taken gigantic leaps forward. The steam engine, originally designed to pump water, gave rise to railroads and industries. In the Second Industrial Revolution, the application of mechanical power facilitated trade. The Digital Revolution expanded social networking, communication, commerce, economic growth. The Fourth Revolution will change how we live, work and communicate, shaping almost every aspect of life. Some developing countries are fast moving through this voyage while others are strolling. Where does this leave Ethiopia? Fortunately, technology is the savior that can propel Ethiopia into the digital economy. It can shorten the journey that took the developed world 3 centuries and leapfrog directly to the new age technologies. and build knowledge-based economy faster. But how?